Hi, it's Michele from Sweet Apple Farms, my kitchen, and today we have an amazing meal. Could be an appetizer. In fact, it winds up being an appetizer for me because I eat so many of them, it's not enough left for a meal. It's my eggplant bites, or a meatless meatball. And our main ingredient, of course, is the eggplant. And I roasted them, but you're gonna learn more about this on Sweet Apple TV. I'll be right back. So today I'm going to tell you the ingredients for these delicious bites. Roasted eggplants, and I'll tell you how I did that. Some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, an egg, mozzarella, some chopped garlic, basil from my garden, and breadcrumbs. Okay, that's about it, believe it or not. And let's get started. The star of this recipe, it's not me, it's the eggplant. Now you can use one medium-sized eggplant, medium to large, or they didn't have, so I just got two smaller ones. I think that adds up to a medium one. And what I did is I roasted them in the oven at 425 for approximately 40-45 minutes until they're really mushy, My mom used to make it by putting the eggplant directly on top of the range and the gas stove, and it would cook it and blister it and make a horrible mess. But this is easier. So once you roast your eggplant, cut off the tops, you will see that the flesh actually comes right away from the skin. It's still very hot, as you can see, but if you're a cook and you've been cooking for a while, your hands turn asbestos, and so you can handle it pretty much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop the flesh from the skin. Now this recipe I bake. Some people fry it. I prefer the healthier option, and I really don't think it takes anything away from the flavor. Okay, all chopped. I wouldn't recommend a processor for this because it would get too fine, and it's kind of nice to have a little chunk every once in a while. Okay, so now what we add, very, very simple, is our breadcrumbs, our pecorino romano cheese, our garlic, freshly chopped, our egg, our fresh basil from our garden. I guess around 6 leaves. And this time I'm going to chop it up. I don't want big chunks, but I want the flavor in every little bite. So I'm just going to chop that up. If it's too wet, you can add more breadcrumbs. Now I didn't use seasoned breadcrumbs because the seasoning is already added in. Comes the fun part. Using a spoon, I have a meatball, my eggplant ball, and I roll it. But wait, I'm going to use a finger, make a little room, and I took some mozzarella cheese, the string cheese that I cut up, and I put it in the center, and I'm going to cover it over using a little bit more of the eggplant mixture. And then look at that. I'm going to roll it, actually, cover it a little in the panko. I'm going to line them up on the tray. Okay, now these bad boys are ready for the oven. Drizzle a little olive oil to make them golden brown. 425 in the oven for approximately 35 to 40 minutes. See you soon. Well, here they are, straight out of the oven. I've added a little bit of tomato sauce on the side. You don't have to, but it makes it like an eggplant parmesan. So here we go. Look at this. So hot. I'm going to still try it, but I want you to see how amazing is that. Still smoking. I don't care. So good. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Sweet Apple TV. The recipe for this dish will be in the description below. If there's anything you want to see, let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, and I know you do, click the like button. If you want more, subscribe and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll be notified when we post new content. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a sweet day.